Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign a PDF with a certificate in Adobe Acrobat Sign. So if you have a PDF file on your computer and want to sign it using a physical smart card, USB token or locally stored certificate, follow these simple steps. So first one is to open the file document, then you can do it here if you go at the top here and then create, and you will select file from your computer. Now on the right hand or the left hand tool panel, click on all tools. So mine is here on the left side, and then scroll down to unlock to click on use a certificate. If you see right here, it may be labeled it may be labeled just as certificates, so click on it. Then uh, now what we are going to do is we will place a signature uh, this way that we click on digitally sign. This window will pop up here. So here we need to select, basically we will need to drag a box with your mouse over the area where you want to signature to appear. So let's select the area at the end of this page right here, just like that. Now what we are going to do is we will select our certificate. We will do that we are going here to the sign document at the top. Now here I have my own signatures which I can't show, but you will select it from here. So when you are good with and you choose the proper one, then just click continue button here. It will show here some specifics. So appearance, at the top here you will see standard text, and then you can also select log document after signing. So okay, so we can do that. At the top right corner you can click create. You can I can show you this one here. So now here at the create we can select what we want, and when we are happy with it, just click OK. And then after we everything finish, we can now just press sign. Okay, save, yes, and just like that we have we created a signature with a certificate. And that's basically it, how you can sign. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the